Hi friends, this is Sumalata Kulkarni. Welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to do a healthy carrot smoothie. Firstly, wash 4 to 5 carrots neatly and cut it into small pieces. Then put in a water and allow it to boil for 15 to 20 minutes till carrots become tender or soft in a texture. Meanwhile, I have soaked a handful of dry fruits like cashews, badam, walnuts, and dates. Soak all the dry fruits in a cup of hot milk for 15 to 20 minutes. Then pour all the dry fruits along with the milk to a mixie jar or a juicer jar. Now grind it like a smooth texture or a smoothie texture. Now healthy carrot smoothie is ready to drink. Carrots keeps our eyes healthy, helps in improving dental health and helps with the weight management. Dates are also rich in iron, boosts energy, increase hemoglobin level and enhance gut health. This smoothie is ideal for all age group, especially for school going kids and aged people. And who are in a weight loss journey, they can also have it. Instead of breakfast, they can have it. Thank you for watching Sumanyu'z Food Lab. For more and more healthy recipes, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.